Have you ever thought about how long it takes for crops to grow and end up on your table? Let's explore some common crops we rely on. Rice typically takes about 3 to 6 months to grow from planting to harvest, depending on the variety and growing conditions. After harvesting, it often undergoes processing, which can add a few weeks before it's ready for your table. So, from seed to meal, you're looking at around 4 to 7 months. Wheat generally takes about 7 to 12 months to grow from planting to harvest, depending on the variety and climate. After harvesting, it needs to be processed into flour, which can take additional time. Overall, from seed to table, you can expect wheat to take around 8 to 13 months. Maize, or corn, typically takes about 3 to 4 months to grow from planting to harvest. After harvesting, it may require some processing, especially if it's being turned into products like cornmeal or corn syrup. So from seed to table, you're looking at around 4 to 5 months for maize. Barley generally takes about 4 to 6 months to grow from planting to harvest. After harvesting, it may need some processing depending on how it's being used, whether for food, animal feed, or brewing. So from seed to table, you can expect barley to take around 5 to 7 months. Oats typically take about 4 to 6 months to grow from planting to harvest. After harvesting, they usually require minimal processing, especially if they're being sold as rolled or steel-cut oats. So, from seed to table, you can expect oats to take around 5 to 7 months. Chickpeas generally take about 3 to 5 months to grow from planting to harvest. After harvesting, they may need minimal processing before reaching your table. Red gram, also known as pigeon pea, typically takes around 4 to 6 months to grow. Similar to chickpeas, red gram requires some processing, especially if it's being split or packaged for sale. Peas generally take about 3 to 4 months to grow. They're typically planted in early spring and can be harvested in late spring to early summer. After harvesting, they may be eaten fresh, frozen, or dried for later use. Mustard plants usually take around 3 to 4 months to mature. They're often planted in spring and can be harvested in summer. The seeds are used to make mustard condiments and oils, requiring minimal processing. Sesame seeds take about 3 to 4 months to grow. They are planted in late spring and harvested in late summer. The seeds are processed into oil or used in various dishes, which involves drying and cleaning. Sunflowers typically take about 3 to 4 months to grow. They are usually planted in spring and harvested in late summer or early fall. After harvesting, sunflower seeds can be roasted, eaten as snacks, or processed for oil. Groundnut peanut. Groundnuts generally take around 4 to 5 months to grow. They are planted in spring and harvested in late summer. After harvesting, they need to be dried and often roasted before being consumed.